Okay, here's a demonstration of the ketone app on the new Galaxy 4 watch running WearOS 3. I've already installed it. So on WearOS 3, to get to all your apps, you got this big giant wall here. When it installs, it's on the bottom. There it is. It's got your generic icon, and we're just going to move it up top because it's that cool. All right, so turn it on. Ask me for a device's location. It needs this while using the app. Scanning, and now I'm going to hook up the power to the board so it can respond. There it goes. And this is the prototype board that we're using. Yes, we want to allow access to media because we save data as a CBS file. So here we're waiting for this particular sensor to be ready. Once it's ready, the app will show you like a 0 indication. This is for ketone level, obviously. Now it's ready. So it's waiting for input. I have a little straw here where I'm going to go ahead and blow into the sensor. And as you can see, it's taking a reading. Obviously, I eat a lot of carbs, so my ketone level isn't very high. But it does maintain a peak value at the top. And this is until you reset it. There's also the type of reading using the same sensor. This is for blood alcohol level. Obviously, it's not high enough to have any reading. You have to have a few drinks before you'll actually see anything here, but it does work. There's also a little display here for the time and date of your reading, so when you're taking a screenshot, you'll know when it happened. There's also a battery indicator that shows that the battery level on the device is adequate. So this is one of the sensors. The next sensor is CO2, I believe. Yeah, CO2 level. Same thing, blow on it, and it'll record your CO2 value. I don't have a lot of CO2, I don't know. Also does the peak value for that level. Here's a, if you notice, this is another submenu that's in all of the sensors. The About Komodo basically just gives you the, click on that, the version number. The second one is save data to file, and that'll save it to your documents folder within your Android folder. ViewGraph is not implemented yet. Crash is implemented, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because it's kind of pointless. Version 0.1.3 is actually the version that has been compiled for WearOS 3. This is the next sensor, which is ambient temperature. As you can see, this is in Celsius. We can change it to Fahrenheit. It's a nice toasty 75 in my office. Core body temperature, same thing. This is on a sensor on the tip of the body here. So what I usually do is I just put my finger in here. As you can see, the reading's going up. I think the actual application is the intention is to put this under your tongue or under your armpit or something. But as you can see, the sensor's working. It's a cold morning. Hit 90? Are we going to hit 90? Yes, we hit 90. And we're plateauing. Okay. This also has a peak value as well. Next sensor, relative humidity. Not a whole lot we can choose, we just happen to be around 50% relative humidity in the ambient air. I believe that's how that works. So those are the sensors, and that's basically it on the watch.